Governor of Aceh Nova Iriansyah advised the mayors of the Regional I Commissariat Meeting of the Associations of Indonesian City Governments or Muskomwil I APEKSI in 2021 to shop as much as possible, which is aimed at helping UMKM in Aceh. This was said by Nova before officially closing the event at the Anjong Meuligoe complex, the Governor of Aceh, Monday, 22 November 2021. Meanwhile, in his remark, when officially closing the Regional Muskomwil I APEKSI 2021, the Governor appreciated the Banda Aceh Government for successfully holding this event. The Aceh Governor added that his party believed that this meeting is a very good momentum and has a strategic meaning in order to discuss various issues faced by the regional government, especially those related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Nova believed that the mayor, as regional leader, really understand the regional economic structure, demographic and socio-economic condition of the people in our respective areas. Nova also congratulated Muhammad Bobi Nasution, who is the mayor of Medan, who was elected as chairman of the Associations of Indonesian City Government Commissariat Region 1 Sumatra and officially closed the Muskomwil I APEKSI 2021.